Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country in YouTube. Mm, Now my monetization is not eligible because it's not available in my country. So first I have to change my country. Okay, to change the country I have to go to settings and then go to channel. Then you'll see your channel name here and then country in here. Now click on country, select which country you want to change to. Now I'm going to change it to India. It's India. Okay.
Oye, aquí.
Click on
Allá
save.
estos tigres boteros mozañar.
Okay, now your country has been changed. You can see it here, like monetization. Yeah. Now I'm eligible for the partner program.